What's going on, y'all? Today we're checking out one of my favorite chefs, Chef Emerald, and he's doing a muffaletta sandwich and a po' boy, a shrimp po' boy, y'all. Now, we're going to recreate these sandwiches later on down the line. It's going to be hard to recreate that muffaletta sandwich if you don't have that olive salad, or what we would call it in New Orleans, that Jordanaise from Central Grocery. You can buy it there to get the original, but to get that exact taste, it's going to be hard. But in my opinion anyway, the shrimp po' boy ain't the boss of the po' boys. It's always going to be that roast beef, y'all. But anyway, let's get it. Yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you.
Orleans, in Louisiana, we have po' boys.
That's right.
And they are good. So here's what we're gonna do.
All right.
Gotta have a muffaletta. Shrimp po' boy, little kicked up. Make a little vinaigrette.
Little hot sauce.
Hot sauce. Little Worcestershire. And then we'll just drizzle this oil in, nice and slow. Making a little hot sauce vinaigrette.
Oh yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you don't have to add vinegar because the hot sauce has the vinegar in it, right?
Exactly.
Now for me, I love Crystal hot sauce. That's my favorite. That's my go-to hot sauce. My wife, she loves Frank's. Now, if she's going to use that Frank's, doesn't have as much vinegar as that Crystal's, so she's going to have to add a little vinegar to make this vinaigrette. So just be wise on what you're doing with this vinaigrette, y'all. But anyway.
Yeah.
Exactly. Justin, as you know, depending on the hot sauce that you use,
Right.
Some of them have a higher percentage of vinegar. Mm-hmm. Some of them have a pepper flavor, right? But let me tell you something. That vinaigrette, that hot sauce vinaigrette, I'm going to surprise you later.
Yeah.
But let me tell you now what we're going to do.
And
Mayonnaise.
now you're talking. Now you're talking.
All right, mayonnaise, Creole mustard, garlic, horseradish. Mm-hmm. Now we're gonna jack it up a little bit with some cayenne.
You want me to know I'm eating something,
yeah.
huh?
I want
That's
you to
gonna
know
open me up right
I want
there.
you to know it. Look at these beautiful cold cuts. Cheeses, provolone, salumi, cotto, mortadella.
Mortadella, yeah.
Yeah, look at this. And then look at this beautiful thing.
I see what's happening.
Black olives, green olives, sliced, diced, however you want it. And I look at it and I go, boy, that's so beautiful. Just simple, just olives. Well, what's going to be really simple is we're going to turn this into an olive salad because we're making a muffaletta. Celery, shallot, garlic, carrot, parsley. No big deal. They all go with the olives. So we want to mix that. Then I want to add some seasoning. I got Italian herbs, crushed red pepper for a little bit of the heat. That's going in there. And then what's going in there, folks, is some good extra virgin olive oil because you want it to steep. So we got our cold cuts, we got our olive salad. Now, as Justin...
Now see, y'all, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Now I don't doubt how good Emerald's olive salad is, but that one that you would get from Central Grocers that you can just buy in the jar, I know it don't taste exactly like that. And if you had the original, that's the flavor that you're going to be looking for, which is fine. But I just know it's not going to taste exactly like the original, which mine wouldn't either. But anyway.
I'll tell you, bread is important.
Yeah.
Bread is important. I got this muffaletta bread. It's a seeded loaf, split in half.
It's cheese.
Oh yeah, baby. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the bottom of this with a lot of olive salad. I love it. Don't be shy. So we have that. This side here, naked. Not for long. We're gonna take some extra virgin olive oil and we're just gonna do this to it. You see that? Oh yeah. Now, cold cuts. Check it out. Layer it. As much as you want, as little as you want. Salumi. Come on. Look at this.
That's a sandwich that could literally feed a family.
You better believe it, right? Koto. Look at that. Beautiful, look. You want to...
Now see, that's exactly why I say that olive salad is so important. As you can see how much olive salad you actually put on that bread. It's a lot, y'all. You want to stack that olive salad up. And for me, I'm going to stack those meats too. But anyway, let's get back to it, y'all. Let's get back to it.
I put the cheese on last. And Justin and I were having a conversation during the break about how warm do you want your sandwich? Not too warm.
You don't want it melty.
You just want to warm the cheese a little bit, right?
You want that meat to release a little bit of its juices, just a tad.
Yeah. So look, now, we'll put the layer on top. We're gonna wrap this baby up right now. Wrap it up. Now, this is going in the oven, okay?
That's beautiful.
Not too much, but we do want to take, like Justin said, a little temperature of that off.
Now, just to give you an idea of what you're looking for there when you throw it in the oven, I set my oven at like 250 degrees, and I let it do what it do for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how thick you have your meat and how much cheese you got on there. And that should be the perfect time, y'all. But anyway, let's get back to it, y'all. Let's get back to it.
So, let's come over here for a second. We got those wild caught Louisiana shrimp. We're blessed. We're blessed in Louisiana.
We are.
With shrimp, the products that we have.
Right in our backyard.
Right in our backyard,
Don't have to fight
baby.
to get it.
So look, I got some flour here, and I want to just take salt, essence, that's bam. A little white pepper. We're going in there with that. Stir that around. We're going to take our wild caught Louisiana shrimp. We're going to season it a little bit.
Those are nice sized shrimp too. What
Beautiful, right?
3640s?
Well, you know what? We broke the budget knowing you were coming, bro.
Those are great.
Yeah, perfect.
It is.
Perfect size for poor boy. We're going to let this marinate a little bit, folks. We're going in the flour seasoned mixture.
See, that's it. You're not using like a thick wash. You know, just using that hot sauce.
Just using that hot sauce to coat it.
Light batter.
Light batter, baby. Get all that flavor in there. Now watch what we're gonna do. We're gonna just take this now. We're gonna put this all around. Get them all nice and coated. You see our oil right now is at about 325, 330. Could be a little hotter.
They'll go.
Not to worry though, it'll work. Now watch what we do. Once we get these shrimp coated like this.
Look at that.
You ready? Oh yeah, baby. We're gonna start frying these shrimp right here.
Now I have to say this. When you flour your shrimp, bread them, and you get them into that grease, throw them in that grease. Once they start rising to the top, as soon as you get a golden brown, get those shrimp out, y'all. It's one thing that you don't want. It's overcooked shrimp. You done messed up the whole sandwich. So please, don't overcook your shrimp, y'all. Don't overcook your shrimp. But anyway.
Oh yeah, they're gonna start crackling and popping, baby.
There's nothing like that first fresh fry too.
Oh.
That oil's brand new.
Oh yeah, I mean that's what it's saying. It's like, give me them shrimp.
That's it.
Opening this up, toasted. Here we go. Little bit of lettuce. Creole mustard mayonnaise. Oh, don't be shy. All right, now check it out. Sliced tomato. Little bit of salt. Now we're going with the fried shrimp. Oh yeah. Now, you might think this is crazy. but I am. Remember that hot sauce vinaigrette? We're just gonna take a little drizzle of that. Little drizzle of that, just, oh yeah. This is going over here.
That's it.
This is going right here.
Did you hear that? Do it
Yeah,
again.
you hear that? Look,
That's when you know you got a good po' boy.
right?
And yeah, y'all, he's exactly right about that bread. When you hear that crunch of that bread, you know you're about to have a good po' boy sandwich. Now, that's what makes a po' boy so hard to create, is that bread. It's hard to recreate that bread anywhere else. But we gonna give it a try, y'all. We gonna give it a try. But anyway, let's get back to it, y'all. Let's get back to it. And oh yeah, I do like mine dressed, just to let you know.
Now, last but not least, we come in for the muffalata. I think we should go half, and I think we should go half.
That's a beautiful thing right there.
Now, the conclusion. I got a little muffalata for you. I got a little shrimp po' boy.
Give it to me,
I got
Emerald.
that for you, buddy.
Thank you, man. Emerald, this is New Orleans. You got the classic muffalata. This muffalata right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
That is perfectly done.
not too hot.
No. Bread's still soft. Meat's like room temperature and those juices are flowing.
I don't know what to tell you. Other than,
We're going here.
we're going, baby.
There's a stance for this.
Oh,
I got to
yeah.
stand up
Here
for
we
this.
go.
Elbows out, baby.
Woo!
That's something like I ain't never had.
That hot sauce vinaigrette.
But that mayonnaise, that mayo with the horseradish, I've never seen that. That's a first, Emerald. You're a crazy man.
Oh, crazy. Crazy, man.
These all
So yeah, y'all, those are our two sandwiches, y'all. I don't know which one y'all want to see first. Comment down below and let me know. Now, like I said, both of them gonna be kind of hard to create, to make exactly right, because you're not gonna have that good olive salad or jordanaire, whichever one you want to call it, and you're not gonna have that great French bread to make it right. But anyway, as always, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.